world we live in has me so confused. How people get away with murder due to laws and rules. Think I'ma die like Trayvon, you a damn fool. Who know if you play music too loud that they will kill you? I'm at a point in my life to where I can't lose, but every time I win, why don't my people too? Cause they in prison and died by the age of 22. He thought by trapping hard would pay the bills and help you. God talked to me, said I will forever bless you, and don't you ever do a dance with the devil. I'm praying to you, Lord, for a gift, something that's special. Near death situations, for your blessings, yes, I'm grateful. When you on top and rise, yes indeed, that's when they hate you, but they can never recreate you. I hope that my positive energy disintegrates you, cause you never gave me food at my dinner table, and the sad part that you was able.
And if he made you this way, then why you trying to change? In one world where one word can mean a lot of things. Fuck the diamond rings, money, cars, bitches, ice. Nightmares every night, like what if Jesus really white? Guess that mean that I ain't shit, so we ain't shit, but we ain't know. Getting high, but we ain't low. Mommy watching, please forgive. Cops a shot before he stopped, I seen him go. There them people go, stealing souls again. Only hope to win. Hopeless jokers, marijuana smokers, pants sagging, two-time feeling, drug dealing, old kind killing, jail cell filling. Individuals and niggas as they call us, or I call I. They say it's I for an eye, yeah, it's high for his buy. See them signs in the sky, space kid, motherfucker, don't live it.
He's rather at the club, looking me extra.
Boy, New Star, man, you feel me? Shouts out to my boys, Get Life, Zoo Nation. Shouts out my boy, True Divine. MGM, Money Girls, and Music made this happen today, man. You know, my boy Space Kid, featuring artists on my track, Peace. Orthodox EP is on the way, you know. Shouts out all the co-artists, Zoo Nation, Broken Trippy. Shouts out to my boy Will Woke Up in Paris too, you know, he overseas with international and shit, you know. So shouts out to everybody, man, you know, make this possible. Peace track is on the way, man. I hope y'all like this, man. Doing everything you rappers not doing, y'all some garbage too, you know. Shouts out to Sound Clash, man. You know, get you them good rates. Shouts out to Sound Clash, man. They got some good deals. You can hit them up, Sound Clash at Gmail. They got Instagram, all that good stuff, Twitter. Shouts out to Sound Clash. That's where I recorded this track at, you feel me? So, you know,
need to back up.
They get you right, man. You know, shouts out to the cameraman, you know what I'm saying?
Shouts out to all my niggas that smoke crack on TV and don't give a fuck about what people think. Shouts out to you niggas.
I don't know about all that, but you know what I'm saying?
Shouts out to y'all, man.
I'm out here, man, you know, my boy Space Kid, you out, man, you know. Shouts out my big brother Soldier back home, man. I see you, man, you know, you can probably like what I'm wearing. We gotta get dressed up for this, you know what I'm saying? It's a real elegant. Broken Rippy.
Nigga said Broken Rippy, he got the name wrong.
Broken Trippy, my fault. Broken Rippy, Broken Trippy. It say Broken Rippy for sure though, man. But nah, but shouts out to my boy Trey Pizza, he on the come up, he doing a lot of things. Look up that Pimp Parade when you on YouTube, you know, my boy True Divine got that Dear Honesty on YouTube jumping right now. Paranoid remix, you know, we got a show coming up on the 4th. You know, stay tuned for that. You know, yeah, shouts out to Space, shouts out to my boy Space Kid, and shouts out to my boy True Divine. Everybody here made this happen, man. I appreciate it, you know. New Star, my EP on Orthodox is on the way. You know, that's dropping real soon, so y'all stay tuned. Shouts out to Joey Hendrix, man.